Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Klipsch ICON SB-1 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your device or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth or anything like that where it's not working. A factory reset will fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history, all the settings off of it, so you can set it up basically like it's a new soundbar coming out of the box with its default settings. The factory reset will do that for you. It's really easy to do. First thing you want to do is turn it off and then remove all the cables except for the power cable from it. So it's only plugged into the power. Then we can turn it back on. Once we do that, we should see a solid red LED light. And we're just going to come in and press and hold the mute button and the volume down button simultaneously until that red LED light blinks several times in red, at which point it's basically telling us that it's reset. So once we do that, we can go ahead and turn it off. And then once we turn it off, we can plug all the audio cables back in again, turn it back on, and now we're setting it up basically like it's a brand new soundbar.